The origin of life dates back approximately 3.5 to 4 billion years ago, when simple organic molecules formed and eventually evolved into self-replicating systems. Several hypotheses explain this emergence. Primordial soup hypothesis. Life arose in warm ponds or oceans from organic compounds. Hydrothermal vent hypothesis. Life originated at deep-sea hydrothermal vents, where heat and minerals supported early biochemical reactions. Panspermia hypothesis. Life or its building blocks came from space via meteorites. The Miller-Urey experiment, conducted in 1953, demonstrated that organic molecules, such as amino acids, could form under conditions mimicking early Earth. Speciation is the evolutionary process by which new species arise. The main types include allopatric speciation. Geographic separation leads to divergence. Sympatric speciation. New species form within the same location due to ecological or genetic differences. Peripatric and parapatric speciation occurs in isolated or adjacent populations with different environmental pressures. The diversity of life is a result of billions of years of evolution. Organisms have adapted to various environments, leading to millions of distinct species. Scientists estimate there are around 8.7 million species on Earth, though only about 2.1 million species have been formally described. The total number includes bacteria and archaea, millions of species, most still undiscovered. Fungi, estimated 2 to 5 million species. Plants, around 390,000 known species. Animals, over 1.5 million known species, with insects making up the majority. Bacteria and archaea, also known as prokaryotes, are simple single-celled organisms. They are often found in extreme environments like hot springs and deep-sea vents. These microorganisms are crucial for ecosystems, playing roles in nitrogen fixation and decomposition. Some common examples include E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and thermophiles. Protists, which are single-celled eukaryotes, can be either unicellular or simple multicellular organisms. They play significant roles in food chains and disease transmission. Examples of protists include amoeba, plasmodium, which causes malaria, and paramecium. Fungi are fascinating organisms that act as decomposers, breaking down organic material. They can be unicellular, like yeasts, or multicellular, like mushrooms. Notable examples are penicillium, which is used in antibiotic production, and Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly known as yeast. Plants, belonging to kingdom Plantae, are multicellular and photosynthetic organisms. They provide oxygen and food for other life forms. Examples of plants include mosses, ferns, and flowering plants like oak trees and roses. Animals, classified under kingdom Animalia, are multicellular and complex organisms with specialized body structures. This kingdom includes both invertebrates and vertebrates. Examples of invertebrates are insects, mollusks, and corals. On the other hand, vertebrates include fish like sharks, amphibians such as frogs, reptiles like snakes, birds such as eagles, and mammals like tigers and whales. Humans, scientifically known as Homo sapiens, are, well, the most complex organisms on Earth. They possess remarkable intelligence, rich cultures, and advanced technologies. Over time, humans have significantly altered ecosystems through activities like urbanization, agriculture, and industrialization. The tree of life is a metaphor that describes the evolutionary relationships among all living organisms. It was first conceptualized by Charles Darwin and has since been refined with genetic data. The three domains of life are bacteria, which are single-celled prokaryotes, archaea, which are extremophile prokaryotes, and eukarya, which include organisms with complex cells such as plants, fungi, animals, and protists. Modern phylogenetics uses DNA and molecular data to refine our understanding of evolutionary relationships. The tree of life highlights common ancestry, showing how all living organisms share a common origin and have diversified over billions of years. The origin and diversity of life result from natural selection, mutations, and speciation over billions of years. From microscopic bacteria to complex humans, the tree of life connects all organisms, illustrating the vast interconnected nature of Earth's biodiversity. Scientists continue to discover and classify new species, further expanding our knowledge of life on Earth. Nature is ultimate.